I've got lots of pictures of Sting Prick.
5 years. Wait, no, one's 4. Four.